Hi, my name is Margie Turin, and my article in this month's Science Teacher Journal focuses on a model for developing students that are both data comfortable and data savvy. Data and data analysis are central to science, which is why they're so well represented in the next generation science standards. It's really important that our students are comfortable with data, and for this they just really need practice. Practice in collecting and working with their own data, and then moving on to working with secondary data or data that's collected by someone else, and then finally moving on to large remotely sensed data collected by groups or agencies. My article focuses on building on a field sampling experience in our local estuary to develop a learning progression for students. They begin by sampling one location in the estuary, and then they share that data as part of a collaborative with multiple sites collecting and sharing data. This allows students to collect and analyze both their own and secondary data on the same system. This gives them an entry point to remotely sensed data sets on a comparable system. We use a local estuary for our field project because the complexity of the system provides easy connections to a larger remotely sensed data set available from agencies like NOAA. So for example, in our project we study the Hudson River estuary. First one location, and then using other students' data we look at several locations. From there we look at real-time data from a more local system called the Hudson River Conditions Environmental System, and then from there we step up to NOAA data and look at national oceanographic and atmospheric data from the region. But this same structure can be used with multiple classes collecting on a different set of streams, and then using USGS streamflow data as their bigger data source, and any number of other setups. The main pieces are that students collect their own data, then they share data with other groups to use and analyze, and then move on to a comparable but remotely sensed bigger data set. I included in this article a worksheet for helping to guide students through working with these bigger data sets. It walks through for the students how to frame questions around data, how to identify, consider, and describe what they're seeing, and then how to move on to an analysis and discussion. I hope you find this tool, as well as the rest of the article, useful. Thank you.